Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. Just got a smart board to help you guys out with your mathematics. It's from a company called HKMLC. It's a 55-inch smart board, and I'll have a link down below in the comments where you can find this on Amazon. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Our first problem is 2,541 divided by 12. I actually got that problem from one of my viewers. Let me go ahead and show you. I always take a look at the comments on my YouTube channel, and one of the comments down below was from a person called Laramie. So Laramie said, I always get confused when a divisor 12, example 2,541 divided by 12, I get confused on that. No problem, Laramie, we're going to help you out. So let's go back and to our problem right here. This is so cool. I love this smart board. Let's go right to our problem, and then we're going to go ahead and get started there. Laramie, when we do problems like that, we're just going to have to do some figuring on the side. So how many times does 12 go into 2? You can't do it, can you? Can you put 12 into 25? Yeah, you can. How many times? 2 times. And if you need to do a little figuring off to the side, you can go ahead and put 12 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. So I can put 12 into 25 2 times. I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 right above that 5. And now I'm going to go 2 times 12 is 24 right here. And then go ahead and subtract. All right, so 5 minus 4 equals 1. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 right here. And then the next step is I bring the next number down. So I bring that 4 all the way down right here. Yeah, right over here. So I put the 4 right here. And then I start the whole process over. So how many times can I put 12 into 14? Just 1 time. So I put the 1 right above that 4. So 1 times 12 is 12. And I go ahead and subtract. So 4 minus 2, what is it? Yeah, 2. And now, again, I'm going to bring that next number down. So our next number is the 1. So I bring that all the way down right here, and I put 1 right there. How many times can I put 12 into 21? I can only put it in 1 time. 1 times 12 is 12. So I put the 1 right here, and so 1 times 12 would be 12. And then I go ahead and subtract. I need to borrow a little bit there. And so I have 9 as my answer. Now, if you're not going to turn this into a decimal, this would be your remainder. So it would be 211 with a remainder of 9. But we want to turn it into a decimal. So right now I'm going to go ahead and make this problem just a little bit smaller. This is what I love about this smart board right here. And I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit smaller here. Right about like that. Let's move that problem here. And now I'm going to go ahead and put a decimal right here and right there. And now whenever I have a decimal, I can put infinite a number of zeros on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 0 right here, and I'm going to drop that 0 all the way down right there. So now, how many times can I put 12 into 90? Well, if you know your multiplication, it would be 7 times. I'll show you right here. 12 times 7. So 7 times 2 is 14. Carry the 1, and then 7, and then 8. So it would be 7 times 12 would be 84. All right, so let's go ahead and put 7 right here. 7 times 12 would be 84. And I'm going to go ahead and subtract. I need to borrow right there. So I put this is an 8, and this will be a 10. And then 10 minus 4 equals, yeah, you got it, 6. So I put the 6 right there. And then I drop the next number down. Remember, I can have an infinite number of zeros right here. So I just dropped this 0. Oops, that looks like a 6, doesn't it? Hey, I can do, where's my undo right here? There. I'm going to go ahead and make a nicer 0. It's still not the greatest 0, but I'm going to bring that all the way down right here, and then I have 60. So now, how many times does 12 go into 60? If you know the multiplication, and make sure you learn it, it is 5 times. So here is 12 times 5. So 5 times 2 is 10, carry the 1, then 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 1, which would be 60. So I'm going to put 5 right here, and 5 times 12 would be 60, subtract, and then we have 0 as our remainder. How cool was that? I'm really liking this smartboard. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. Hey, we also have another subscriber out there. Let's come down here. Oh, right here, Melvin Happy Guy. Hey, thanks a lot for commenting right there. And Melvin Happy Guy says, please do, he wrote actually 56 divided by 125, but I'm thinking it was 125 divided by 56. And also, Shan, thanks a lot for your comment. This guy is really kind, and also thanks for teaching me. It's my pleasure to help you guys out. A lot of cool comments always. Right here we have somebody from India, watching from India. And what else here? Just a lot of cool stuff. All right, let's get back to our problem here. And I'm going to go right over here. I have this problem all ready for us. All right, this time we're not going to turn this into a decimal. We're just going to have a regular remainder. So now, how many times does 56 go into 125? So I'm guessing 2 times. So let's go ahead and take 56 right here times 2. So 6 times 2 is 12. Carry the 1, and then 5 times 2 is 10, plus the 1, 11. And anything more, it's got to go over 125. So we're going to keep it at 2. So let's go ahead and put 2 right here. 2 times 56 would be 112. Go ahead and subtract. 5 minus 2 would be 3, and 2 minus 1 would be 1. And that's our remainder. I'm not going to turn this into a decimal because it would go quite a bit out there. So I'm just going to go ahead and remainder of 13. Hey, thanks a lot for watching this show. Before you go, I'd sure appreciate it if you can take a look at that link right over there. That's to my new channel called Dino Math. We're having a lot of fun over there with Dino Math. We have dinosaurs, Beyblades, and mathematics. And I'd sure appreciate it if you can hit the subscribe button to that channel and this channel. It really helps me out. Hey, I hope you have a great day out there. We'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.